Hey everyone, this is Mr. Dunkel. I want to talk to you about how to download your files from Blackboard. Oftentimes you'll have a teacher that puts a file, an attachment, some sort of worksheet that you need to download. So I want to show you how to download it and then more importantly, how to then upload it to OneDrive. So I'm in Blackboard, and it's important to note that I'm in Google Chrome, and Chrome is the preferred browser. This is what we always want you to use when you're using Blackboard. And so you could use other browsers, but they're not always as stable as Chrome. So the district would like you to use Google Chrome when you're using Blackboard. So I'm in Google Chrome. Here is an attached file that I'm going to need. So all you have to do on it in Chrome, if I left click on the file, the attachment, Chrome is going to automatically download it for me, and it's going to stick it in a downloads folder. Now, when it downloads it, you'll notice there's a little arrow to the right, and if you click on that arrow, you get an option to show in folder. So if I go to show in folder, it shows me that it has put that file in my downloads folder. So there it is, and I can access that file. Now, here's another option you can do if you'd like more control. Maybe you don't want it in your downloads folder. Maybe you want it in a documents folder, or maybe you want it in your personal directory. So what you could do is instead of left clicking, you can right click on it, choose Save Link As, and now you have control. So I could go to my documents folder, for instance, and I can save it there in documents, or I could go to my personal directory on H. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one in my documents folder. And it's saved it here at the bottom. Okay. Now in Internet Explorer, just because sometimes you may be in a site that opens Internet Explorer for you, what you can do in Internet Explorer is if you click on the attachment, it's going to basically treat it as a right click, but I'm just going to left click and you'll see what I mean. So when I left click on it, I get a pop-up window. Now I have a save as option, and now I have the same ability to save it wherever I want to save it. So I could come in here and save it in my personal directory. So that's how you have control over where you save it. Just remember in Chrome, if you left click, it's going to put it in your downloads folder. If you right click and choose Save Link As, you have control over where it puts it. Now, once you have your files saved, it's very important that you upload them to OneDrive. And so in OneDrive, remember you get to OneDrive by logging into Office 365, click on your Apps Manager and click on OneDrive. That's going to take you into OneDrive, and you should have folders created for all your classes. So you want to go into the folder for the class where you need the file. So for instance, I'm going to go into Computer Applications. And then to get the file up to OneDrive, all I have to do is click the Upload Files feature. And then I just simply go to the folder where I would like it. Now, right now, I've gone to my Documents folder. Now, yours may look a little different. Yours may look something like this with icons. And remember, you have a little pull-down menu here where you can change that. I like the Details view, because under Details view, I can sort by date modified. And that shows me, it shows me my folders first, but then it shows me all of the files in order, like the newest one to the oldest. You could sort by type and have all your PowerPoints together and your Word files together. So Details gives you that chance to kind of sort them. But here's the file I want to upload, the persuasive letter template. I just click Open, and in just a few seconds, it uploads it for me. And you can see it's right here a few seconds ago. So now I have that file on OneDrive. I can access that file wherever I need it. So it's real important you put your files on OneDrive in the proper folders, and that way you can access it wherever you have internet access. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask. Thank you.